Place the sample to be tested. Observe, visually adjust the focus. Adjust the polarizer on the right to 0, find the orthogonal polarization state. Switch the lever, open image analysis, and print the template. Use the mineral composition percentage magic wand. Adjust to the microscope orthogonal state. When the image is clear, click Capture. The magic wand will appear in the image. Different areas will have different colors. Click the desired color to select the color. The area and percentage data will be obtained. Similar images can be marked and color selected to obtain the percentage. Select the second color. Taking black as an example, the current area of the same color yields a conclusion of 15.8%. Continue with the third color selection. Observe the desired color visually and obtain the corresponding percentage. Click Generate Report on the right. The corresponding percentage area will yield the conclusion. Export the report. Click OK to load the image. When the image is clear, click Capture. Click the image to select a color and obtain the percentage of the same color. Select the second color, such as black, and click Image Analysis to obtain the percentage content. Select the third color, such as purple, and obtain the purple percentage content.